Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore purchases in investing.com. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the more section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner, press on the settings, and after that press on restore purchases. And after that any active subscription will be restored basically. So if you have bought anything like a subscription or something, you will be able to restore that here if you want to, of course. If you did not purchase anything beforehand or if you did not subscribe beforehand, then this option is unavailable to you. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.